Hello dear students, good morning to everyone. Let's start our second day of online classes as we are discussing about uh, chapter 1 from science subject, which is matter in our surroundings. First, let me highlight whatever I have explained on your first day. I have explained about matter and uh, how it surrounds on our earth or whole planet. So on our first I have explained 5 elements that consist, that is earth, water, fire, sky and air. So these 5 elements are consist of matter. Now matter is made up of small tiny particles. Okay, as we have seen, matter is made up of particles, and I have explained about these particles also. How small is these particles and how matter is made up of particles. And after that, uh, we have discussed first characters of particles of matters, that is particles of matter have space between them. Now more one characters, that is particles of matter are moving continuously. That's it. So let's prove these characters, okay, or let's see the characters of the particles of matter. So to understand these characters, they have given some activity on our textbook. Let's see activity 1.3 to understand the particles of matter are continuously moving. Okay, dear students. Suppose here is our room, maybe classroom or any kind of room. Okay, so what you will do here, take one incense stick and put it in the corner of your room. Suppose I have given here that incense stick. Okay, now go close to that incense stick to get a scent or to get a smell of that incense stick. So if you went there, then you will get the smell of incense stick. Now came back to the corner, to the opposite corner of your incense stick. Now just take an experiment. Will you get a smell? Will you get a smell for that incense stick in this point? No, you will not get any smell if you came away from that incense stick. Now let's light that incense stick. Okay, now if you light that incense stick, what will happen? um, wherever you are, you will get the smell of that incense stick. Okay, it goes through all over your room. That means now you don't need to go nearby that incense stick. What does it means? It means that particles of matter are moving continuously because gas or smell, this smell or gas, it is also kind of gas. That means it is also a part of matter. So we can see from this activity clearly that matters are particles of matter are moving continuously. Clear, dear students? Okay, now let's see more one um, characters of particles of matter. Okay, that is particles of matter particles of matter attract each other. Particles of matter attract each other. Now to understand these characters, let us see some activity which is given on our textbook. Okay, you can check activity 1.8 to understand these characters, which shows that take some water in a container, try cutting the surface of water with your fingers. Were you able to cut the surface of water? Will you able to cut, dear students? Will you able to cut the waters wherever it is? No. Okay. So will you able to cut those waters? No. If you put some fingers, then those waters will cover again your fingers. What it means? It means that all the particles of matter attracting each other. Okay, that's why all the particles of matter or all the particles of the liquid covers your finger again. Or more one example we can see, that is, suppose in a iron beam, here is your iron beam. Now if you uh, if you force here with some iron metals, what will happen? If you give some pressure here or if you force here with some iron metals, then what will happen? Again it will what? It will force you back. Okay, what does it seems? Because uh, what does it seems? It seems that the particles of matter are attracting each other. That's why you cannot force it or you cannot drag it. Okay, because uh, in all particles it has kinetic energy. Now what is the meaning of kinetic energy? Kinetic energy means when you force something, okay, some object or any object, that object will you force back. That is the meaning of kinetic energy. So in every particles of matter or in every stage of matter, it has kinetic energy. So this kinetic energy is working on that particles. That's why what we can see, those object will force back. Okay.